survival kit contains essential outdoor survival tools and supplies. It is intended to be carried on one's person at all times, be appropriate to all environments, and be a comprehensive kit without being too large. Mini survival kits are intended to provide the basic needs of a survival situation, self-rescue, assistance, or a return to normalcy in optimum situations. Hi guys, this is your Outdoor Gear Lab channel. Before you begin, subscribe and add the bell.
Muse Wild Mini, a retro Army-style Bluetooth speaker with superior sound performance. The perfect companion for your next adventure. No matter if you're out for a weekend trip with your friends or just bring it when you're out alone, Muse Wild Mini is designed to unleash your authentic inner wildness at any place you can imagine. Now you can enjoy music on full blast. Crank up the volume without sacrificing sound quality. The intuitive control makes it very convenient and easy to use. Just control your playlist directly from the speaker through Bluetooth without touching your phone. An included LED light makes it also perfect for night activities or camping. Rugged, powerful, and portable, Muse Wild Mini is not just another toy gadget, but an extremely tough speaker with superior sound performance that fits in the palm of your hand. Using only premium materials, the speaker is designed with a full metal body, ammo boxes structure, and a unique knob shape, satisfying all your illusions of wilderness or military. Muse Wild Mini is a Bluetooth speaker for outdoor lovers. Easy to carry, super sturdy, but not compromising in sound quality. Bid for your Wild Mini now and get ready for your next adventure.
Combar FoldaXe is a powerful yet streamlined outdoor multi-tool for chopping, splitting, and hammering. The cleverly engineered head allows transforming from a stowed position to a working function in seconds. The Combar FoldaXe is built with an uncompromising selection of materials, including 7075 T6 aircraft hard anodized aluminum and 420J2 stainless steel. Each element has been crafted expertly, undergoing rounds of iteration in our development process to be perfected. Combar FoldaXe Pro pairs the FoldaXe's base functionality with our signature Pro Kit, knife and saw, creating a genuinely elite tool for the core survival task. For weight-conscious pursuits like remote backpacking or camping, the Combar FoldaXe is a go-to piece of gear, providing heavy-duty function in a packable design.